Hi all, in this video I will show you how to easily lace up loose Jordan 1s. Insert the lace into the bottom 2 holes. Then we take the right side of the lace and thread it through the left hole. We use our finger to limit the tension of the lace, that is, it will make the tension looser. Take the left end of the lace and thread it through the right hole. We also use our finger to limit the tension. We continue this procedure until the end. We thread the right end of the lace into the top left hole from the inside. We thread the left end of the lace into the wire hole. Then we adjust the length and tension of the laces. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.